Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily use MagoVideo editor. So let's start. First, let's click edit here and let's find myself a video that I would like to use. Okay, this one here and this one here. These two videos. So right now we have two videos in my timeline. What I'm going to do, first option is just pressing touch. And you can use some effects here, like I don't know, this one here, these hearts. Okay. So let's just swipe something. And all I'm doing is this. So right now we got some effects. When I'm going to use these hearts also, I can use them too. Okay. Now when we have this, we have effects. Effects can be also used as transitions. So when you see click on effects, you can use like glitch effect here, look, and just pressing and hold it. And then I don't know, you can also use disco. But what I really like that you can use this as transition. So let's see that we have transition between city and flower. And what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to use glitch effect and then I'm going to use shake effect on top of them, and look at this, how it will look. See that the shake effect, and you can play around it. You can go like with the big, with the spotlight, and use various effects and use them as transitions. So when you have it, you have stickers. Stickers I think are really simple. Just paste them, press OK. I think you get it. It's really simple. Then you have frame, again, also simple. That's like really similar to the first one. And then you have like frames here that you could use. Okay, now we have text. Text is really easy. Let's just write here snow. And when we have it, nice, you can make it like effects. Then you can change the color of it. You can also insert shadow and border. And you can also change how it looks like, the font. And shadow or alignment. Okay. Okay. The next one thing I really like is a time FX that you can speed up or slow down the video. So I'm going to fast forward it now. Wait a second. Okay. And now I'm going to insert slow motion. Like here and here. And you can see that this part is going to be slow motion and this part is going to be really fast. Again, let's see. And this one is really faster. Then easy, you can add music. More, you can insert your music and play with it. Okay. You can edit the video. You can mirror it or rotate it. Really simple. Yes. And the last thing is you got Canvas. If you would like to use it for TikTok or Instagram or YouTube, you can easily use them. And yeah, that's kind of it. This is how it works. Then you can just press download, 720p, and it's going to render. Let's wait a little bit. And this is how you use MagoVideo editor. I think like this video editor is really simple and really useful, but there are also better ones, in my opinion. So yeah, this is how we make it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.